Tere tulemas. Ma olen Kevin. Thank you all to everyone for coming here. Aita. The reason that you will hear me try to speak Estonian is because this woman has made me want everything to do with her life. And if that means that I can learn a little bit about where she came from, then that's why I do it.
Today is a very special day, not only for Kathleen and Kevin, but for all of us. As we all have been waiting for those two to be married for way too long.
We appreciate every one of you who are here today. I know it's been a journey. Suur aitäh teile and welcome everybody.
Now, we kept track of him through phone calls, multiple stays in our home, but the stories about Estonia, aka Kedlin, they persisted, they kept coming up.
Today we are celebrating different cultures, languages, stories coming together and forming a fairy tale. Kevin, I'm sure that just 8 years ago you would not have imagined yourself today standing here in Estonia, marrying a stunning Estonian girl. What have you got yourself into? Kathleen, ma kahtlen, kas sa oskasid väikese tüdrukuna ette kujutada tänast päeva. Seismas siin, sihvaka ning tugeva mehe kõrval, kes näeb välja nagu Kreeka jumalate maapealne poeg, kes suudab juhtida nii suuri reisilennukeid kui metsikult võimsaid militaarhävitajaid. I have no idea how many miles you have traveled in your life. Countless hours in airplanes. One of the closest metaphors I've found for a marriage is a journey. A trip, an adventure. Journeys can be very different. Sometimes you travel for work or go on a skiing trip. You can travel with your friends, with a spouse, with in-laws. Some journeys are about hurrying from point A to point B. And then there are journeys where it almost doesn't matter if you reach the destination. It's the process that matters. This trip, marriage, will cost you everything. And the both of you will pay for it. Today is a day when you will give away everything you have, even more. You give yourself. This is the highest price you can pay. And at the same time, today you will receive the greatest gift ever, all that the other person is and will be.
I, Kevin, take you, Kathleen.
I, Kathleen, take you, Kevin,
To be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded husband,
I promise to love and cherish you,
in good times and bad,
for richer or poorer,
in sickness and in health,
for as long as we both shall live.
By the power vested in me, by the promises you have given to each other in front of these witnesses, I declare you to be a wedded couple, husband and wife.
Georgia, write me up and all you
discussion, though, came the following morning. Just the three of us. I was making coffee, and they were having a civil but serious discussion. And the subject's not important, but what was important was how Ketlin used her charms and grounded away the negative energy in the moment and diffused the tension. And that was when I first thought Kevin may have met his match, figuratively and literally. Or to put it a different way, the final yin for his yang. And I started rooting for today.
I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you.
Who said I love you first?